A man accused of murdering a teenager in downtown Melbourne claims additional evidence proves he only opened fire in self-defense.
Stephan Dieujuste was back in court today at the Brevard Justice Center in Viera. And Channel 9's Sabrina Majore was also there, and she reports he even claimed he was the victim of a murder plot.
Dieujuste's attorneys argued he was threatened multiple times while in jail and was threatened on the day of the shooting, too. The judge didn't rule on the merits of that argument, but did say any evidence of that and additional surveillance video needed to be preserved. Prosecutors point to this surveillance video as a key piece of evidence in the case against Stephan Dieujuste. He's charged with second-degree murder for shooting 19-year-old Nathaniel Jennings in downtown Melbourne back in May. Investigators say Dieujuste pulled out his handgun and fired 8 times after an altercation outside of downtown bars. We stopped the video before the first shots were fired, but prosecutors say the fight beforehand never got physical and say Dieujuste continued shooting even as Jennings ran away.
Does the victim ever make physical contact with the defendant, Mr. Dieujuste? Does he ever hit him?
He does not.
But the defense argues video from other downtown Melbourne surveillance cameras will help prove Dieujuste shot in self-defense. He told police back in May the victim threatened him and put him in a bear hug.
I'm also going to order that Melbourne PD preserve any video evidence that they may have from the date of the incident.
The defense also claiming friends of the victim were actively plotting to hurt or kill Dieujuste while in jail as an act of retaliation for the shooting. The state attorney's office did tell us Dieujuste was being held in the Volusia County Jail, not the Brevard County Jail, for his own safety. In the meantime, it's now on the defense to go ahead and sort through whatever video might be useful in their self-defense case that's now been preserved. At a later date, the judge would then go ahead and rule whether or not that could be acceptable in a trial. Reporting in Brevard County, I'm Sabrina Majore.